All right, so we're going to do this problem here. Use the force of gravity equation to solve this problem. Okay, so I'm going to read the problem, and here I've got these variables. Here are the numbers, okay? Here's my mass. That's the first mass. You can put it here, or you can put it there. It doesn't matter. The next one is Earth, and that's that, all right? And then this is the distance, how far it is away. So that's the radius. Now, the gravitational force is always this constant value. All right. And this is what I'm solving for. You can put X, you can put question mark. All right. Doesn't matter. We'll go with X. All right. So that's my first step. I've figured out what I have and what I want to figure out. Okay. Now I made it bigger. All right. Just to show you easier to see. All right. Now I'm going to plug these variables into the force of gravity equation and solve. All right. So what that would look like is F. Oh, it's not letting me type. F G, or it could be X, is going to be equal to the gravitational constant I'm going to put this in parentheses. It doesn't have to be, but that way you won't get mixed up by the units. All right. And then you multiply it by these two. Ooh. All right. I'm going to change the font to make that a little easier to read. The size, it's not the font, but I think yeah. Looks like a bunch of big numbers, and it is, but it's not as hard as you think it is. I think once you get the hang. Oh, all right. That's underlined. Just even makes it harder. Okay, now I put this in. It goes down below, and this gets squared. All right. Now, I'm going to square the number on the bottom first when I put it into the calculator. Okay? I'm going to square the bottom number. Like a yo-yo. Okay, so that's going to be 1.47. It's so glary. Okay, 1.47 second e to the 11th, enter. Then I square it. That's the square button, e squared. Oh yeah, Leland, Roran, there it is. Okay. Listening to All My Love by Led Zeppelin. Great song. One of their later songs. What the heck? Stinking thing. Love to you. So I'm just going to plug this in. So that becomes this. And this number becomes that thing for my calculator. 2.1609. 09. You don't have to plug, you don't have to rewrite it. I'm just showing you. I'm breaking down the steps a little bit. Now I'm going to multiply these three numbers up top. All right, on the calculator. Gonna pause it. Okay, here we go. Here's the answer: 7.924160. God, man, so freaking annoying. 7.924160. Hey, Sierra. Hey, Addison.
Mr. Hatton, I have a request, please.
One sec. Can I just finish this and then we can talk, chit chat, figure it out? All right. This divided by that thing up top. And by thing up top, I mean the number. Oh, that's all the numbers together. Now, in terms of units, the unit on the bottom would be meters. In terms of units, these, so here, these kilograms, they're going to cancel out. All right. And because, I'm going to be left, as in like this is going to cancel out with one of these. All right. So we'll be left with 1 kg. And that, and this would be, that would just be kg. Hey, Connor. Hello. Natalie. Okay. Now the units they're going to reduce further to, these would go away. All right, and that's what it's going to be. Now I'm going to do this on the calculator. My love, all of my love to you. And this becomes 3.6, 3.7. I'm going to round, since these things had 3 numbers in it, I'm going to round my answers to 3 numbers. So that would become times 10 to the, hey, Zach. Hey, Chris. Thanks for being here on time, guys. 18. And this whole thing becomes a Newton. Hey, Savannah, why don't you have a seat in the back, please, Savannah? All right. You wouldn't underline it. All right. You don't have to. All right. That is the whole problem. You just need to really, you can write that out and then write this out. Okay.